Sige, translate ma-English to Bisaya. Okay. Good morning.
Maayong buntag,
Good afternoon.
maayong hapon,
How are you?
kumusta?
Thank you.
Salamat,
You're welcome.
walay sapayan,
I'm sorry.
pasaylo ako.
Let us translate body parts into Bisaya. Okay. Head,
Ulo,
eyes,
mata,
ears,
dalunggan,
nose,
ilong,
mouth,
bakbak,
tongue,
dila,
teeth,
ngipon,
neck,
liog,
arms,
bukton,
hands,
kamot,
fingers,
tudlo,
nails,
kuko,
hips,
hawak,
legs,
patiis,
feet.
tiil.
Adjectives: beautiful face,
Maanyag,
pretty,
gwapa,
handsome,
gwapo,
ugly,
laksot, pangit,
fat,
tambok,
skinny,
niwang,
big,
dako,
small,
gamay,
thin,
nipis,
thick,
baga,
round.
lingin.
Food: rice,
Kanon,
viand,
sudan,
vegetable,
gulay, utan,
bread,
pan, o tinapay,
cake,
cake, and
biscuit,
biscuit,
fried fish,
pritong isda,
fried chicken,
pritong manok,
beef stew,
sinabaw nga baka,
fish stew.
tinulang isda.
Animals: cat,
Iring,
dog,
iro,
monkey,
unggoy,
horse,
kabayo,
fish,
isda,
cow,
baka, langgam,
bird,
ranggam,
ants,
migas,
duck,
pato, itik,
pig,
baboy,
chicken,
manok,